Hello all, welcome to this video. Now I hope that you must have gone through my previous videos on pivot table, pivot chart and slicers. So I've created a full list of all those videos. It is around approximately 15 to 17 videos which I've created. So if you have not seen the videos, then kindly go through that videos also. Now from this video, I'm starting a new series on how to create the hyperlinks. So in case of Excel, we can create various types of hyperlinks. From this video, we'll be starting with this topic of hyperlinks, and then in the upcoming 6 to 7 videos we will see the different options that we have in Excel for creating the hyperlinks. So in this video I'll be starting with a first topic in hyperlinks, that is how to create hyperlinks for a particular sheet. So let us start and we will see the different options in hyperlinks. Here in this Excel file I've created here various tabs like hyperlink to sheet, hyperlink to file, hyperlink to image, hyperlink to formula, hyperlink to email, hyperlink to web page, and we are also having one last tab which is known as hyperlink to update the file. Let us start with our first tab over here, that is hyperlink to sheet, and then in the upcoming videos I'll be taking all these other topics one by one. So now in this hyperlink to sheet, what I want to do, that here it is mentioned that take me to sheet hyperlink to file. So I'm currently in hyperlink to sheet, and from hyperlink to sheet I want to go to the another sheet which is known as hyperlink to file. So let us see how we can create a hyperlink for it. So here this is the text which I've created, and now if you want to create a hyperlink, you have to select that cell where the text is written, right click, and in right click we are having this option known as link. This is the first option to create the hyperlink. The another option is this, that you select the cell over here and then you go to the insert tab. And in the insert tab, you are having here one button which is known as link. So these are the two options of creating the hyperlink. So you can go for any one of the option. Let's say I go for this insert tab and this link. So I click on the link over here, this drop down, and then in the drop down, I'm getting here this option known as insert link. So I click on this insert link here, and now here I'm getting this dialog box where I'm having the various options like link to existing file or web page, link to place in this document, link to create new document, link to email address. We are having these four major options. We'll see one by one these options. First of all, I'll go with this option, that is place in this document. So I select this option, place in this document, and now here I can see the various sheets over here, that is hyperlink to sheet, file, image, formula, email, web page, update document, etc. So what I want to do, from this hyperlink to sheet I want to go to the another sheet which is known as hyperlink to file. So I select here this hyperlink to file, this option. I click on OK button, and now you can see that this hyperlink is created. When I put my pointer here, you can see that I'm having the hand icon. So now if I want to make it a little bit bigger, I can go to home. I can make it a little bit bigger font. So now this is ready. Now if you want to use this hyperlink, I have to simply click on this hyperlink. And when I click on the hyperlink, it is taking me to this another sheet which is known as hyperlink to file. This is how we can create a hyperlink, and that hyperlink will take us to a sheet which is already available in this particular file. So this is the first option that we have seen, that how to create the hyperlink to a particular sheet. Now in the next video, we'll be seeing another option, that is how to create a hyperlink to a particular file. Let us go for that next video. Till then, thank you very much.